Guys, good morning. Welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're welcome. On this channel we do cooking, vlogs, DIYs. So yes guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere. We want to visit Samburu, as you can see in the title. Yes, that is where we are, and now we are heading for breakfast. It's in the morning. Yeah, I'll be doing like a day in my life in Samburu. Yeah, that will be the title of our video, as you can see by now. Yeah, so let me just show you guys around.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me.
All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, you would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on.
So okay, back there is not my room. I just hope there is no one inside there who is looking at me. Guys, I'm speaking this way. I'm having a flu. Yeah, I'm just having a flu. Yeah, so now let's go for breakfast. Hey guys. guys, it's almost 6. Yeah, I just after lunch we went for a nap. Yeah, and then now we are at the swimming pool. Naomi came to swim. She's here. She's sick.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
She's not feeling well. I don't know what's wrong with her. What's wrong?
Yes.
Guys, this place is amazing. The lunch was just wow. Your girl, I'm full. I'm really, really full. Yeah, after that, look at this monkey. Hey, monkey. So yeah, guys, I'm having a check. I don't know what is it. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my face. I'm having rashes. My face is reacting. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. I just hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Yeah, and remember to subscribe. Sana wageni twakaribishwa, hakuna matata tata.